Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today's video is a what I eat in a day, and if you guys like these kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more of them. I mentioned to you guys recently in a previous video that I was diagnosed with functional dyspepsia, and my doctor also recently told me I have IBS, so I have a lot of gut health issues. Basically, there's just going to be a lot of like really nourishing, healthy recipes in this video, whether you guys are trying to heal your gut or not, but just know that that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm also trying to eat a lower FODMAP diet just to help control my symptoms. For breakfast, I had a piece of sourdough toast with avocado, egg, and some arugula on top. So I usually eat a gluten-free diet, but since I've been following the low FODMAP diet, I tried sourdough because that is apparently like low FODMAP, and it hasn't really bothered my tummy. So I'm like so happy that I can eat sourdough bread. So I've been eating that in the mornings, and I've been enjoying that very much. And I also had a cup of tea, which is one of my new favorites. It's mint sage. It's so funny because every time that I sit down to enjoy my tea, Elena like comes over there and like tries to like hijack my tea. So I have to like pour her a little cup of her own. Elena actually ate the exact same thing that I ate this morning, and I got her dress. Let me show you guys what she's wearing. It's so cute. Elena. Oh my god, she found my lip gloss. Or lipstick. Oh no. No, no. Sorry, mama. Just look at her cute little pigtails. Oh, so cute. We're doing the outfit of the day. This is actually just some loungewear. I'm gonna change as soon as... Oh, you gotta go down? Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get changed. And that is my outfit of the day, except I'm not going anywhere and I just wanted to like style up a complete outfit for you guys. I'm basically wearing the Spanx full leather leggings and the sweater vest, but obviously I'm not going outside. I just wanted to give you guys ideas. These boots though, I shared in my last vlog, and they're so cute. So this is what I would wear if I was going out today. But Emily just got here. We're gonna go start on work for the day, and I will catch up with you guys when I have my next snack. Just realized how dirty my mirror is. Every time that I clean it, Elena just comes back and she's all over it again, so please excuse that. I thought I'd show you guys what we're working on right now. Emily helped me put together a Valentine's gift guide for her, for him, and we're also doing a January giveaway over on my Instagram. I'm doing monthly giveaways over there, and I'm giving away a Pauline bag. So follow me on Instagram. I also wanted to quickly mention that if you guys don't follow me on Instagram and you don't ever get to see like any of my like shopping guides or like outfit ideas or all that kind of stuff, I do a newsletter once a week on the weekends to round up everything. So I will leave that link below if you guys want to get all of my outfit idea, recommendations, and stuff sent right to your inbox. I am about to have a snack, and I got these yesterday, pecans and walnuts. I've been trying to add in some more like nuts and like healthy fats into my diet. So I'm gonna have a handful of those, and then I just have my water bottle. I'm just here to say that pecans are a very underrated food, and they're very yummy. Emily just left, which means it's time for me to eat. I'm starving. I'm gonna make a quinoa salad with sweet potato. I actually need to do the sweet potato, but just to make it a little bit easier on myself, I got the pre-chopped, and then I'm gonna throw it in the air fryer. So I'll show you guys. I actually got a new air fryer. Have you guys ever seen a more beautiful air fryer? I am obsessed. They have this new line at Walmart where they have a bunch of different appliances in this like style, and I just think it's so pretty. I'm gonna throw them in here. I'm gonna go pray while they're cooking, and then we'll throw the salad together.
For me? Thank you.
You're welcome. Gave the first one to Omar because he said he was hungry. And I'm gonna go ahead and eat this real quick before we go pick up Elena. But I wanted to quickly mention my new fave sparkling water. It's called Nixie. This one's lime ginger and it is so good. Like, it's better than LaCroix. It's better than Waterloo. It's better than all the ones I've ever tried. So you have to try this one. I just got this little container for my eggs on Amazon. I am planning a video, hopefully it will be the next video, where I'm going to be doing a bunch of different organization projects around my house. Stay tuned for that. This was just like a tiny one that I thought I would just include in this video because I was too excited. It's going to just make my fridge look like just a little bit better. I don't really use containers for anything else, but I thought it would be cute for the eggs. I had some bananas that were ripe enough for banana bread, so I'm actually gonna make some today because I have been dying for like some kind of sweet treat. And you're actually not supposed to have bananas when you're on a low FODMAP diet, but you can have them in small quantities. So that's why I thought doing the little mini muffins would like keep me on track. We have maple syrup, coconut oil, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, vanilla, and then gluten-free flour. I might add some more sugar because every time I make banana bread, I always wish it was sweeter because I always just try to use like maple syrup in the banana. But then I feel like, I don't know, I like mine a little bit sweeter. I just have some spray coconut oil to spray down the pan. So I will go ahead and whip these up. It's several hours later, it's dark outside, I'm in my comfy clothes again. I'm gonna make dinner, but since I'm on a more simple diet, I'm just gonna like heat up some of the salmon that I made yesterday in the air fryer with some rice, and that's like so boring, and I've made salmon so many times on my channel. So I'm actually making Omar meals for the next few days. I'm meal prepping him some Moroccan soup. It sounded so good, and apparently lentils are high FODMAP, beans, and just like a lot of the things I'm using this soup, so I can't eat it, but I thought that you guys would love it because it just sounds so good. So let me show you the ingredients. So we have red lentils. I'm using bone broth. I have carrots, celery, onion, garbanzo beans, some diced tomatoes. The spices I feel like is just like the star of the dish. There's so many yummy ones. Turmeric, this is actually cinnamon. I just transferred it into this one. Ginger, garlic powder, curry. I'm adding a little bit of curry, salt and pepper, and cumin. And I actually found this recipe on TikTok, but I'm altering it just a little bit. So I'll link the TikTok that I'm following below. Oh, and then the last thing I'm gonna do is add some ground lamb, and then I'll add all of my veggies, and it's just gonna be a really yummy, hearty, comforting stew. We are currently just waiting for the dinner to be done. We are playing in our playroom. She actually really loves this room, you guys. Like every morning she runs in here because all her toys are here everywhere. I need to clean this up. I realized that playrooms do not stay organized because the first thing that the kids want to do is just tear it up, but that's the fun of it. So I'm just letting her do whatever in here. That's the point of this room. I'm probably gonna read her a few books, then we'll eat dinner, do bath time, bedtime routine, and all that stuff. Catch up with you guys later. Good job, Elena. So smart. Soup is all done. I added 2 cans of chickpeas at the end just so they didn't get like cremated in the Instant Pot. And I did try a small spoon and the flavors are so good. The only difference I added to the recipe is I added a teaspoon of curry powder, or actually no, like a tablespoon. I just love the flavors in the soup. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this. Elena is eating some oranges after she ate dinner. It doesn't look like she's actually eating them right now. She's obsessed with oranges right now. So I've been buying a ton and we've been eating them. In case you guys are wondering what I'm eating tonight, I told you guys I'm just eating leftovers from last night. Just salmon, quinoa, and some leftover salad. And then I'm gonna have Omar actually try the soup slash stew. I really don't know what you would call it, but I tasted a little bite and it's so good. Omar's gonna try my soup.
All right, guys, I'm being held against my will. Hostage, just to try this.
Just try it and be quiet.
Okay.
Tell the truth.
It's good.
Are you lying?
No, I promise. I'm gonna eat this.
Okay. Omar approves.
There's a little salt.
Okay.
It's good.
I wanted to show you guys how the banana bread turned out. But you guys, the mini muffins backfired on me because I was supposed to eat like only like 1 or 2. And look what happened. You guys, I think Omar had 1 and then I gave 1 to Elena and I literally ate that many. Granted, they're tiny. I kind of followed a recipe, but you guys know how I am. I'll link the recipe that I followed below. I added a few of my own little things. I made a whole loaf because I had a bunch of leftover batter because this is not very much. I'm glad I'm gonna have a little snack for the next few days. Baby is asleep. We did dinner, we did bath time, I rocked her to sleep, and she is sleeping soundly. So we are gonna enjoy some tea. I put out some little muffins for Omar because I clearly ate way too many earlier. Might have had 1 or 2 more after that. And then I have some lemon balm tea. Omar has some Moroccan mint tea. And I think we're gonna watch a movie. My mom recommended one called Stillwater, so we'll probably watch like maybe an hour of that because it's already late. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some good healthy recipe inspo. Like this video if you liked it and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.